We're gonna do a new video with a new pouring medium that I am inventing in this video, and just because I'm out of the quart pouring medium, I don't have any more, so I have to get some more. So in the meantime, I didn't want to stop pouring, so I'm gonna use a mixture of 2 parts of Floetrol. I'm gonna use 1 part of Liquitex pouring medium, and I'm gonna use half of water. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use one of the squeezed butter. Please remember that the links for all these products are on the description for the video, and I'm using this to measure. I'm gonna use 8 ounces of the Floetrol because these only have 16 ounces, but I'm gonna find a bigger one and then put the link. But in the meantime, we're gonna use the 16 ounces, and you turn on the machine, and then you have to put make sure that it is on 0. If it's not, just press the tare and make sure the units are on ounces. And I'm gonna put 8 ounces of the Floetrol, and for the Floetrol I'm gonna use a strainer. Now let's hit the tare so it's zeroed again, and we're gonna put now the 4 ounces of the Liquitex. So we're gonna hit the tare again for 0, and it's gonna be 2 ounces of water. To help with the cells, I'm gonna add a tiny bit of the acrylic gloss in the cup. Tiny bit. And I am inventing what I'm doing today. It's like an experiment, so let's see what's gonna happen. I'm not sure if I mentioned the colors. I'm using Lamp Ebony Black, I'm using Bahama Blue, those 2 colors from the Americana, also from the Americana Green Tree, and then I have from the Premium, I have Ultramarine Blue, and I have from the Americana Decor Metallics, I have Copper and Titanium White from the Americana. So I'm gonna mix all these colors, and it is gonna be very liquid, very liquid, and we're gonna get started. So I just wanted to tell you that I don't like copying other people's recipe, because when you're subscribing to my channel, I want to show you something different so that you have something new to learn. So this recipe, I have not seen it anywhere with mixing with the Sargent in it. Some people have a version without the Sargent. So let's see how this Sargent is gonna work. And I already have all my colors prepared, and I'm gonna put it in here. This is 16 ounces, and I have an order that I want to follow. Also, if you see other people's color combination, try them. But if I see them, I always try to change something so that it's completely new. I'm gonna do a 3-ring pour, but I don't want to dump all the color in here one at a time, because I want the colors to repeat. And I have seen sometimes when you put it all the colors at a time, the first colors that you put, or the last color that you put, are they gonna be the first one to come, and they're gonna run out of the canvas and disappear. And don't want them to see it disappear. So I'm not going to put them all in the cup. I'm just going to put half of it and put them in this order, and we'll be right back. Okay, where's the white? Disappeared. Oh well, things happen for a reason. So we'll see if this is gonna sell. Maybe it's not a good. Most of the time my experiments are bad. Oh gosh. So this seems to be a bad experiment. We'll see. Time will tell, time will tell. I'm gonna move it and then I torch again because it seems that it is too thick. You have to help it because sometimes it will not move, so you have to help it. And probably the best way to help it is to add more paint in there. And when I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna torch it again one more time. See what's gonna happen, especially in here. Wow. That's bringing a lot of stuff. Galaxy. I don't want to burn it. Maybe I should leave it like that. What do you think? You cannot tell me. I wish you could. I'm just gonna leave it like that. And I'm just gonna go around and check that I have paint everywhere. I don't have in this corner. And thank you for joining me one more time. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.